Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Anastasia. Hi everybody. I'm a stylist and personal shopper, and this is my first video when I'm back in Abu Dhabi. Yeah, welcome to my place. This is gonna be exciting, and we'll have some glam, and I'll show you some things that I got for my birthday, and also this. We're gonna unpack this one. But you know, I'm really bad at unpacking, so I actually already wore it, so I'm gonna give you already like some feedback on the bag that I recently got. So first of all, yeah, I had a really amazing summer. I managed to escape, and first I was out in Ukraine with my kids, but I was there alone without Eugene and without my nanny. I had, of course, my family helping me here and there, but this was a bit too intense, I would say. Although my kids are already grown up slightly, not like 2 years ago it was even worse. So I hopefully like next year it's gonna be even better. But yeah, in Ukraine I didn't film anything. I actually did a little bit, but not too much. And then I managed to go to London for 10 days and did a lot of work for my company, for sourcing, and I managed to do some styling and some haul videos for you. I hope you love them. So here's what I got for my birthday. It's the Dior Jewelry Rose Divan necklace. Hello. Back here. Yeah, it's very cute. I always wanted this one as a bracelet to just add to my arm, and this was not expected, so it was a total surprise. I just said I wanted something with a green stone, but I wanted something really small. I didn't want anything that expensive, and I'm really feeling like I was spoiled with this present. So yeah, I loved it. But another present that I had in mind was that styling thing that I told you about before in my previous like summer video. I wanted to have outfits for going out that a stylist would pick for me, and my husband would pick for me basically, but he would not be able to spend so much time to go into all the details of what I like and what suits me. So the process was like that. I said this idea to my sister, who was like supervising, managing the whole project, and to a stylist, Victoria from LA, Victoria Volska. I'll link her down below. She did really amazing work for me previously. She looked at my wardrobe and she just gave me some new ideas of what I should and shouldn't wear. So I knew I could trust her taste, and she pre-picked things and gave like a list and sent it to my husband, and then he made a final choice. So I'm gonna unpack these outfits now, and I don't know what's inside, so it's gonna be super exciting. And yeah, keep watching if you're interested. And then yeah, I'm gonna show you this one. I actually have two boxes. I don't know which comes which. Okay, this one actually came first. They are both from Freewolf by Elise Walker. Forward by Elise Walker. My favorite style website. Okay, this is exciting. I'm just gonna open it up. And okay, it's a very nicely packaged box. Nicely packed box. All like eco-friendly paper. It's probably like a dress or a skirt and a top, this type of outfit. And my birthday was already in August, so I'm not gonna wear it for my birthday, but Eugene's birthday is tomorrow, so I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. Okay, I just put my hand inside and I can feel something that's a chiffon and slightly pleated. It's so nice. Like, I don't even know like what is it, but it feels like it could be like very, very cute. Oh wow, so that's a dress. Oh my god, wow, that's a dress. and yeah, it's by French brand Iro, and yeah, it's a color that suits me, and with a little pop of pink, which is really cool. I like it. I think I like it a lot. I'm just concerned that it's not lined, but I have a nice mesh bra that goes with, you've probably seen it in my previous video, and I can wear it with that, or I can wear my slip dress as well. I'm excited to try this one on, and then he said he couldn't pick between the two, so he got me another one. This is actually so exciting again. Oh my god. Okay, now the second box. I'm gonna open the second box. I think I would like to do that every year. Okay, I'm just putting my hand inside and I'm trying to feel what's in there. I think it might be lingerie. It's I can feel a little hanger, like a plastic small. It's inside the plastic. Okay, I'm trying to put my hand inside. It feels very silky. Okay, it's silky. I'm not even looking, and it's okay. Okay, this is a very nice. Okay, it looks like a slip dress or top. Okay, very like small and sexy, and oh wow, this could be amazing. This is what I wanted actually, because I would not get these for myself. I would be like too concerned, I guess. This is so beautiful. Look at this color. The color is just amazing, and yeah, the neckline is just perfect for me, and the length, and I can see it has a symmetry on the bottom part, which is perfect for me. So I'm excited to try everything on now. I'm trying the first dress now, and it might be making me a bit bigger on a hip, but it is lovely because I think that's something that I could actually do, especially in my shape that I have now. And I like that the dress is a chiffon. It's a fabric that works always like best for me because it's lightweight and it has a lot of movement, and I have a lot of movement in my body, so it's like dynamically working very well. I'm really happy, and I feel so lucky. I'll link you the bra that I'm wearing underneath because it's just perfect for this dress. I'm loving the dress, and as you see, French brands, they go well together. The belt just looks amazing together with this. I have arcade shoes that I'm gonna link down below, and yeah, it's just a perfection. And yeah, I was lucky to have this nice mesh bra. It just perfectly goes underneath as well without giving me any extra bulkiness, and yeah, the dress is just so beautiful, and I like that it's chiffon. It's fabric that is quite good for like girls who are like on a thinner side, because it kind of like flows and creates this like nice movement when you move. So yeah, that's so wonderful. I feel so lucky that I had this experience. Honestly, I'm gonna cry. It's just super beautiful, and yeah, I'm like very happy. And this is the second dress. The second dress is just stunner, and the second dress is just absolutely stunning. It's just so perfect, and it's so for me. I'm so glad. I'm so happy that I had this amazing experience. Look at this asymmetry on a leg. That is just amazing. It has some gathers here, and the silk material is just so beautiful, and the color is deep and blue, and so pretty and wonderful. And the open back, yeah, and even the neckline. I'll link it down below for you too, so you can check it out. This is my very happy face. As you can see, I'm like, I did not expect anything this beautiful. I thought it'd be just, you know, something like safe, but this is gorgeous. I thought it'd be just like some small black dress, something, but this is a perfection. Now let's look at the other goodies. I know. I'm so emotional, I can't even say even more. So yeah, I wanted this belt for a while, and I got it finally. I think it's because it was still August, and in August I always feel, end of July towards August, I always feel like treating myself, and I didn't get that Bottega that I was showing you in a video, and I had some doubts about it. I still kind of like it. Maybe it's just not black that I'm gonna get. Maybe I'll get it in a brighter color, although I don't do really bright colors in my accessories, as you can imagine. Maybe I would do suede, or maybe I would do like a deep red, but my problem is I get tired of them, and I would need to replace that bag like in 2 years or so, because that's just me. But well, the platforms are working really well. Platforms like Vestiaire, I've sold all of my bags that I didn't like anymore. In there, the belt, I'm gonna change my top to something a bit more minimal and Bottega style, because I wanted to show you this one anyway. And I got the belt in a brown color because it's still like pretty dark, so on the pictures it will look perfectly black, but it will give this little more interesting combination and definition if it's a brown, because I had a chat with another stylist in London, and one of her bags that I was sure it was black, it was brown, and she said this way it works better when you combine it with the blacks, and on the pictures it looks just amazing. So yeah, now I have this little brown belt. I finally managed to put it on. As you can see, it is thin enough, and it has a button. It had a hole where I would want my waist to be, and I have it twisted slightly on the back. And yeah, I like it. It's I'm gonna wear it with like a lot of tailored clothes, with the black trousers, with a beige trouser, with like any dress. I guess I don't have so many dresses now. With a black dress, I would say I would wear it. As you can see, it looks just right with the black, but the belt itself is dark brown. I think what I like in a brand, I don't like the logos and the letters, but I like the shapes. And this is why actually I got the bag that I got. And you can see it right now. So as you know, I'm like very detailed when it comes to accessories, details. You excited? You've already seen it in my Instagram if you were following me on my Instagram. And you know, when I love something, I take it out of the store and I start wearing it right away, because I buy things when I need them and when I want to wear them and when I love them. If I don't wear it, it's not a thing for me. So, hello, it's the Point Bottega bag. For me, it's very different by design, and this triangle is what made a difference for me. I first saw it in Harrods when I was just doing coverage for the brands, and they had it in a basket type weaving in pink, and it was gorgeous as well. But I don't really remember if it had long straps. So first, I just thought it would be a clutch. So if it would be just a clutch, I would be as happy as well. But because it also has the long straps, it's just make it so much like more versatile. And I would put it like this. You just need to know like what kind of like shape or what type of, you know, design of the bag that suits you. So for me, it was always something that has like a flatter lines on the back and on the front. That's the reason why I didn't like Chanel so much, because to me they're a bit like too rounded, and they look good on people who have a little bit like chunkier volume, I would say. And it just has too many like, you know, stitches on them. And yeah, the size of the hardware, the size of the chains, everything like makes difference. So for me, similar to Chanel bag, the one that I love the most, I think it was the Stella McCartney Falabella, and I had it for a while, and it would just have a little texture. It would have the gold, the metal. My problem was the color. I had it in a deep red with rose gold, and I just got like tired of it, I guess. If I had it in black, probably it would last me longer. So So similarly, I picked this one because it's the right size, I guess. With my proportion, it just works. And I didn't like the mini Jodie because it was too winterish, so I would not use it as much, I think, here in the Middle East. Or you could, but you know, like I tried to make definition with the clothes that I wear, and that bag looks really good when you have, you know, just something's very bulky like jumper or oversized suit tailoring or coat, and then you have the bag and you have the look. And for me, I'm gonna be making definition around here, maybe in my waistline. That's why I have the belt now. And I like to wear a lot of jewelry, so I like my bags to be maybe a bit more on a like plain side. So, and I want them to be practical as well. I just didn't see that that mini Jodie would be convenient to wear when I'm out with kids. But this one has been great. I've been taking it out for my school runs and to supermarket runs, and it fits a lot more, I guess. It fits a phone, my keys, and my little Prada wallet with my cards, and even it fits something else. My sunglasses, of course, too. And I like how they made a knot on this long strap, and it feels, you know, like very artisanal, like organic, like it just was like effortless, I would say. I like it because it's a bit like more effortless in terms of design, but you still have this triangle, so it has this small definition, but not too much. So far I love it, and yeah, it's really nice, like to touch it as well. You know, I had this H&M wallet that I was just like using out, and I thought like maybe that's the one for me. I don't need anything more expensive, but it is nice. It's much nicer when you have a tactile feeling, luxurious leather, and smell is amazing, and you know, it just feels right for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check my Instagram for any style inspo, and I'm gonna see you in my next one.